Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix activation failed on Viber. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to settings, then you need to go to general, then you need to go to iPhone storage. I'm showing this on iPhone, but it will be pretty much the same on Android as well. And then you just need to go and look for Viber. And then you just need to offload app, press offload. So what it does, simply it will reinstall your app here, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And then you just need to press reinstall app here and wait a couple of seconds. And then you need to look if you're getting activation failed error or not. If the app's still not working, then you just need to contact Viber support. So first of all, you need to put your email address, name, category, technical issue, your country, your phone number, and then subject. So you just need to write Viber activation failed, and then you just need to write something along these lines. Hey, I'm getting Viber activation failed error on my account, right? And also you can attach error screenshot. You can select your mobile provider and then submit request, and they contact you as soon as possible with a solution. So yeah, that's basically it.